Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Now, since cabbage is common for New Year's, today I am making my cabbage rolls. These are so delicious and they are not hard to make. They just take a few steps. And the first thing that you will need to do is blanch your cabbage.
So what I have here is about a medium-sized head of cabbage, and I'm just taking a knife and going around to cut that core out, and that will help to pop it right out. And then I'm going to take my cabbage and place it into a pot of boiling water and allow this to boil for 5 to 10 minutes.
And then you will need to make your delicious sauce that will go over your cabbage. And I'm telling you, I think the sauce is key. You need a good sauce, and believe me, this one is amazing. So let me show you how I made this sauce.
So you need one 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 10.5-ounce can of tomato soup, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a half a cup of chopped onions, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and then salt and pepper.
And then finally, you will need to make your meat mixture, and I will show you just how I made that.
Okay, you will need 1 pound of ground beef and then add a half of a cup of chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. Then mince 1 garlic clove, add 1 cup of cooked rice, and 1 egg. And then just mix this all together until it is well combined.
Okay, now all there is to it is filling the cabbage, rolling them, and assembling them. So let's get rolling.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do is cut that thick part of the cabbage stem out of the leaf, and it leaves you with a V shape. And then you're going to want to take some of the meat mixture and place into the cabbage leaf, and then just wrap that cabbage around that meat mixture, folding and rolling, kind of like a burrito. And then just place your cabbage roll in a 9x13 baking dish that I have added about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the sauce into the bottom.
So once you have filled and rolled all of your cabbage leaves, you will probably have some cabbage left over, but that's okay. I don't waste anything. I will add this to soup or just fry up cabbage for later. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the rest of this sauce and pour over top of these cabbage rolls. Okay, and next I'm just simply going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to stick it in a 350-degree oven and bake these cabbage rolls for at least an hour, maybe an hour and a half. You just want to make sure that the cabbage is nice and tender. Just look at these cabbage rolls. They smell delicious and they look fantastic. I cannot wait to take a big bite of these cabbage rolls. If you love cabbage and cabbage rolls, then you have got to try this recipe. I know you will not regret it. And that sauce is fantastic. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a very happy new year. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you want to be notified as soon as I upload new recipes, then hit that little notification bell. And I have a lot of wonderful recipes coming up in 2021. So as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.